Warm greetings to everyone. My name is Devansh.
My name is Kiyur.
My name is Avnish.
And our team name is Reformers. We are the students of the school Billa Shishu Vihar Pilani, and our mentor is Mrs. Hargun Arora. Our project name is Advanced Speed Controller.
Table of content. Firstly, we will do introduction, then research, then proposed solution, then appendix, and finally conclusion.
So, what is the problem? The problem is that when a vehicle overspeeds the speed limit, then it gets involved in a road accident. So, to prevent this, we have made this project because the people that get affected by this are the old people, kids, drivers, and the road authorities.
Our project Advanced Speed Controller is a smart adaptable speed regulation system for vehicles that automatically adjusts car speed based on speed limit zones. It is based on real-time speed adjustments when vehicle approach regulated zone. It is flexible control for specific traffic conditions or events.
High speed driving is a significant contributor to road accidents worldwide, leading to several injuries and fatalities. According to the World Health Organization, approximately 1.3 million people die each year due to road traffic accidents, with spreading being a major risk factor.
So our proposed solution is first enhanced safety, which will automatically adjust vehicle speed to comply with posted speed limits, reducing the risk of accidents. It will reduce traffic by minimizes instances of speed and related fines. It will also detect the range as the device detects when a vehicle is with a specified distance from the speed limit board to activate speed adjustments.
What are the solutions? The current solutions are the active speed regulations. So it would control the speed of the car in the range of the speed limit. And also the manual control feature so the driver can also adjust it.
Tools used for these projects are range detection center, speed control module, manual control switch, wireless communication system.
So by the diagram, we understand that there will be a speed control module which will be added on the side of the steering. And on the speed limit board, there will be a switch and a range detection sensor added. And there will be a wireless communication system so that the transfer of the data from the board to the car. Thank you.